In the luxurious world of yachting, the Utopia IV stood as a symbol of opulence and grandeur with a net value of $50 million. But behind its lavish facade, a series of events would reveal a turbulent journey. One fateful night, as the Utopia IV navigated near the Virgin Voyages terminal, a clash of forces unfolded. A cruise ship, aided by tugs, created a vortex of currents, leading to an unexpected collision with a bridge.
He's in a terrible spot.
This wasn't the first time the Utopia IV encountered misfortune. Nearly 2 years prior, off the Bahamas, a collision with the tanker Tropic Breeze resulted in catastrophic consequences. The impact not only marred the vessel, but also led to the sinking of the tanker, causing damages amounting to a staggering $7.9 million. Investigations pointed to a shared negligence, both vessels failing to uphold proper lookout protocols. From the visionary ownership of J.R. Ridinger to these tumultuous encounters, the Utopia IV's journey has been marred by unforeseen challenges. Despite its trials, the Utopia IV stands as a testament to resilience, a reminder that even amidst the most luxurious settings, the seas hold unpredictable tales.